Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to transfer crypto from KuCoin Web3 Wallet to KuCoin Exchange. Start by opening the Coin app on your device. Make sure it's installed and updated. Once inside, take a moment to explore the interface. Next, find and tap on Web3 Wallet. This is where you can manage all your crypto assets. To receive funds, tap the Receive button. You'll see a QR code or wallet address. This is what others will use to send you crypto, so keep it safe. Now select the specific cryptocurrency you want to receive, for example, Bitcoin or Ethereum. Double-check your choice to avoid mistakes. Then tap Transfer from Coin Exchange to move your assets from the exchange to your personal wallet. This ensures your crypto is securely stored and under your control. That's it. By opening the Coin app, going to Web3 Wallet, choosing Receive, selecting your asset, and transferring, your funds will be safely in your Web3 wallet. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with friends for more useful mobile and tech tips.